All right. So the death of affiliate marketing. Everyone's kind of freaking out. I've gotten a lot of messages because people know that I'm really deep in affiliate marketing, and they're asking, is it still worth it to do affiliate marketing? And I'm going to give you my answers today. I'm going to give you very detailed answers with, data behind it so you can make your decision. One of the big things that is causing people to freak out is Affiliate Lab just closed, right? They just found out they closed. Members have 177 days to access the content, and they're gone. They're done for good. One of the biggest affiliate marketing training platforms there is. Authority Hacker closed. Also one of the biggest affiliate marketing platforms. Why are they closing? I'm not totally sure, but when I looked it up, it looks like Affiliate Lab is closing down due to a combination of factors, including increased competition in the affiliate marketing space and evolving marketing trends. Which is what I heard from people, that they're just saying affiliate marketing is getting too hard. It's not worth to teach anymore. Same with Authority Hacker. They also believe that the content site model for affiliate marketing through SEO is no longer as viable as it once was. So again, I've been getting a lot of messages about this because people know I'm very deep in the affiliate marketing game. So I'm going to give you the answers on this so you can make a decision on, do you pursue affiliate marketing or not? Now, let's start from the beginning, okay? I've already been saying this for years. This is why for the past 2 or 3, maybe even 4 years, I've been teaching people how to buy age domains. Because when it comes to affiliate marketing, starting a brand new domain is almost never worth it right now, right? Because of that increased competition. And this has been the case for many years. So I don't know why this is like a new thing all of a sudden. And actually, what I'm seeing over these last couple updates is a little bit of a pendulum swing back to affiliate marketing being easy. At least it's starting to go that way. Because what I'm seeing is they're starting to recognize topical authority even better, which means they're allowing these smaller topical authority sites to rank instead of having just a whole first page of high authority sites that have no topical authority, like the Forbes and the Business Insider. And you guys know all the leech sites that people use that had high authority. They're starting to decrease. And Google is starting to swing that pendulum back to the smaller sites, being able to identify topical authority even better with these recent updates. But even with that said, I still say you should almost never start a brand new site when it comes to affiliate marketing. There are certain cases where you may. If you identify a keyword that's extremely profitable, maybe you start an exact match domain, but it's still going to take a good amount of work. But my main course of action is buying age domains, and I teach you guys how to do this for free on my channel. Now, I want to show you some data as well. I have, just a couple paid courses now, which are much cheaper than I used to have. This is the one course I have on age domains. So check out this traffic. I started it a few months ago. Started down here. Here's October, and check out the increase. Right? This yesterday, the traffic was over 200 visitors. Now, most of this traffic is from Bing. That is how a lot of the traffic starts now. So even the setup for age domains has changed a little bit. It used to be you would buy an age domain and you would get traffic from Google very quickly, like within a month or two. Now it's taking a little longer with Google. So now what I'm seeing with this site is, a few months in, I'm starting to rank in Google, like starting to rank on page 2, 3, 4, things like that. And I have other age domains that are a year plus old that did the same thing. So they didn't rank in Google right away. They took 6 months, 9 months to start ranking in Google. But now a year plus in, I'm getting a lot of Google traffic from those age domains. So I had one of my really advanced students message me, and he was worried about this, about the age domains, because he put up new sites and he's not ranking well on Google. I'm like, that's just the new thing now. It just because you have an age domain doesn't mean that you're going to rank very quickly now on Google. You're going to rank quicker than you would have with a brand new domain, because you probably would have never ranked with a brand new domain, but it's going to take more time. But there's still a lot of traffic there, right? Look at all this traffic I'm getting from Bing. I mean, if you look at this, and then in the last 3 months, over 9,500, almost 9,500 visitors. And in this course that I show on my site, I think it's like $297 I sell it for, I show you from beginning to end how I set up this site. The whole point of this wasn't to necessarily show you how to make money with affiliate sites. That's a different topic. It was to show you how to get traffic with them, how to set them up. And this site is all AI content, so it's not even really good content. So is affiliate marketing dead? No, not at all. It's just changed. Now, people freak out because they see these guys, going out of business. They're like, well, if these guys are giving up, I'm going to give up. To me, I'm like, all right, that's more opportunity for me. Let people clear out. Let the affiliate marketing space clear out. Let's do a flush. Awesome. You know what that means? Less competition. I'm good with it because I know my processes work. I know that I can buy age domains, start getting Bing traffic pretty quickly, get the Google traffic within 6 to 12 months, and be killing it because there's less and less affiliates around now. Everyone's quitting because no one has the patience that's required to succeed with the affiliate marketing space. Is it harder right now? Yes, because it takes more patience and it takes more skill. And you need to have an exact process. You need to know how to buy age domains. You need to know how to set them up correctly and how to follow the whole process, right? And if you do, then you can do things like this, where we're steadily increasing in visitors month over month. Now, obviously, it chops, but we're setting higher highs, right? We're setting higher highs each and every week. So is affiliate marketing dead? No. It's changed. And it's gotten pretty hard compared to what it was many years ago. But the good news is a lot of people are leaving, number one. And number two, the pendulum is starting to swing back in the other direction as a lot of people are leaving. So it could line up to those two things. Many people leaving and also the pendulum swinging back to allowing lower authority sites on page one. Those two things happening at once could be a really big opportunity, right? Now, I'm not going anywhere. I make a lot of money with affiliate marketing still, so I am not going anywhere. And a lot of my best students are doing very well still too. You just have to know the process, right? But I wanted to put this out because I'm getting a lot of questions. I just wanted to answer, what I think of affiliate marketing and where it's going. It's not what it used to be. But at the same time, if you know what you're doing, it can still work very well. I get why maybe these guys are closing down because it does take more work now and it does take more patience. But don't let that, if this is something that you're passionate about and something you want to succeed with, don't let that shut you out of the game, right? Don't let that scare you away. That this could actually be a very big opportunity. It depends on how far that pendulum swings back with them allowing smaller authority sites on page one. But so far, these last two updates, it has swung that direction more and more. And we'll see what happens. And look, Google, I think, has met what they're trying to do. Affiliate Lab closed, Authority Hacker closed, affiliate marketing dead. That's what Google wants. Because that means people aren't out there, doing things like I'm doing, where they're using tricks to rank when it comes to SEO. Very few people are doing it now because number one, they don't have the patience. Number two, they don't have the skill sets. A lot of these guys, they didn't teach age domains and building, an affiliate site off an age domain. It was building a brand new site. So, from what I understand, yeah, that wouldn't be worth it. And that's not a sustainable model because you got to put so much money and time into it to not see traffic for 2 years, 3 years. Whereas with, the model I show, you can get traffic very quickly, from Bing. I was getting it pretty much right away. And then within a year, when that Google traffic starts coming in, you can do extremely well. I still have sites doing 6 figures a year in affiliate marketing that were built off age domains and have all AI content too. So still a sustainable model. I think this is good to see in a way. I don't like to see businesses close and people quitting, but at the same time, look, for those that are willing to put in the work, this is an opportunity, I think, especially if that pendulum keeps swinging towards the direction of allowing affiliate sites to rank or smaller authority sites to rank. So that answers the question, is affiliate marketing dead? No, it's just changed. You just got to know what you're doing. You got to know the process. You got to have patience. It still works very well. So hope you guys enjoyed this. If you have questions, let me know. Talk to you soon.